So let's begin this set of questions here, and we are doing practice for UGC NET exam. These questions are from your unit 1, as you all know, and we recently started these practice questions. Those who have just joined right now and don't know about this playlist, on the top I'm providing you the link of this playlist where I have already done few sessions in which we discuss certain set of questions of practice. ये question करने के बाद I am giving you surety that you are going to do best in your exam, and most of the questions जो होंगे that will be from your own point of view कि हाँ ये हमने कर रखे हैं, and you will not get too much hectic और आप एकदम से टेंस नहीं होगे उन क्वेश्चंस को देख के, राइट? सो वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस फॉर टुडे इज list 1 is given to you, list 2 is here, you have to match with them, and let's see what is the common thing between them. First is Bretton Woods Conference. ओके, ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस से रिलेटेड हमारा क्या था, यहाँ से क्या ओरिजिनेट हुआ था, वर्ल्ड बैंक. सो ए का हमारा ऑप्शन 2 रहेगा. लेट्स सी, 1 का 2 हमारा सी ऑप्शन में है, सो सी से रिलेटेड सारी चीज़ें सही रहेंगी क्योंकि फर्स्ट वी आर वेरी श्योर. लेट्स सी अदर ऑल्सो. सो नेक्स्ट इज सॉफ्ट लोन विंडो, दिस इज गिवन अंडर IDA. Next is Geneva. Geneva is related to World Trade Organization because headquarters are in Geneva. So all are clear here. Option C will be your answer. Coming to the next question, consider the following statement. Statement 1 is given to you. Statement 2, let's read these statements. First of all, WTO is only international organization which deals with the rules of trade between organization. यही एक ऐसी international organization है जो trade के rules set करती है. Then next we have is Statement 2, the limit of holding by individual foreign institutional investors in a company has raised from 5 to 10%. कंपनीज शेयर से रेज कर दिया गया है. एग्रीगेट लिमिट 24 से 34 लिमिट हो गई है. तो क्या दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स आपको कैसी लगती हैं? विच वन इज ट्रू, नॉट ट्रू, करेक्ट, इनकरेक्ट? सो वी विल गो विद ऑप्शन सी. स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 both are correct here. Option C will be your answer. Coming to the next question, which among the following are full member countries of ASEAN? ASEAN की ये full member countries हैं. Okay, don't get confused, यहाँ पर full member. तो हम एक बार सब पढ़ते हैं. ब्रूनेई दारुसलाम, कंबोडिया, वियतनाम, म्यांमार, श्रीलंका. सो व्हाट विल बी योर ऑप्शन हेयर? इट विल बी 1, 2, 3 and 4. श्रीलंका फुल मेंबर कंट्री नहीं है, ऑल आर फुल मेंबर कंट्री. सो आपका ऑप्शन डी यहाँ पर आएगा 1, 2, 3, 4. देन नेक्स्ट इज विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग आर मल्टीनेशनल कॉरपोरेशन? मल्टीनेशनल कॉरपोरेशन हम इसमें से किसको कहेंगे? सो मल्टीनेशनल decentralized corporation with strong home country presence, a global centralized corporation that acquire cost advantage through centralized production when cheaper sources are available, then an international company that builds on the parent corporation technology and research and development, या एक transnational enterprises. तो I think all the options are of multinational companies. सब multinational company के ही features हैं. So we will go with D option where all are available. O, B, A, B, C, D. Right, students? Then next question, World Trade Organization is located in Geneva. We recently did that. Yes, it's true. Geneva is in Switzerland and it has total 164 members in it. So World Trade Organization was created on 1st January 1995 by which of these negotiations? We can say that Tokyo round था, Uruguay round था, Washington consensus था कि Doha round था. So all of you are well aware with that. We will go with option B. उरुग्वे राउंड कॉन्फ्रेंस में वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो थी वो क्रिएट हुई थी. सो उरुग्वे राउंड, ऑप्शन बी इज योर आंसर. देन नेक्स्ट इज कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. वी हैव assertion here and reason here. Assertion says that there was demand for World Bank, IMF and ITO type institutions for after World War II so as to avoid the war type situation. ऐसा हुआ था. Yes, it's true. ऐसा situation arise हुई थी. And reason क्या था? Because there was a great depression in early 1930s that produced apprehensions that imports would throw more people out of work. And this led government to raise their trade barriers create हुए. इससे protectionism आई. तो both the statements are correct. And here reason जो है ये support करता है assertion को. So reason is the correct of particular assertion. Coming to the next question we have earlier, आपका यहाँ पर option A इसका आंसर जाएगा. Then next question is World Trade Organization WTO is the only global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations. Is that true? Which of the following statements supports this? We have statement 1 here and statement 2 here. So स्टेटमेंट 1 को हम रीड करते हैं. एट इट्स हार्ट आर WTO एग्रीमेंट्स नेगोशिएटेड एंड साइंड बाय द बल्क ऑफ वर्ल्ड ट्रेड नेशंस. यस, इट वाज ट्रू. स्टेटमेंट 2, द गोल इज टू एंश्योर दैट ट्रेड फ्लोज स्मूथली. वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव ही यही था कि हमारे जो ट्रेड है वो एक स्मूथ प्रोसेस में चले, फ्रीली हो, एंड इट इज सर्टेन प्रिडिक्टेबल. सो वी विल गो विद option C where it is said both the statements are true. Right? Then we have next question with us. Which of the following statement is and are true in the context of World Trade Organization? Dear students, I hope if you have seen here what concept is World Trade Organization in itself is a very important topic for your UGC NET exam because many of the questions are there here. And आपको मैं श्योरिटी दे रही हूँ एग्जाम में वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा. सो डोंट स्किप दिस टॉपिक. प्रिपेयर वेल. इससे रिलेटेड सारे इसके फीचर्स आप कीजिए एंड रिमेंबर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स रिगार्डिंग दैट. ऑलरेडी आई हैव मेड अ सेशन फॉर दिस. अगेन दोज हु have just joined right now and want to practice this unit 1 completely, we have done this in our other channel and I'm providing you link on the top. You can see the link of my other channel. Go and watch unit 1 there. You will find a separate playlist here. Okay, so here in context of World Trade Organization, the WTO is run by its member governments. All major decisions are made by membership as a whole. First is this. Next, some decisions are made by ministers who usually meet at least once every 2 years. Some decisions are made by their ambassadors or delegates. And last is all of the above. So your option would be all of the above. All are characteristics of WTO. Next, which among the following are criticisms given against World Trade Organization? So let's read all these statements and then we will see. It is not a democratic and transparent institution. Yes, it is one of its drawback. It has domination of international trade by rich countries. Yes, it's also true because there is a common thing of veto power. It encourages race to the bottom in wages by pitting workers. Yes, it seeks to privatize essential public services. So all are drawbacks here. We will go with option D. A, B, C, D all are criticism of WTO. Then next question is, at 2013 Bali Ministerial Conference, much of the focus was on the proposal to shield public stock holding programs for food security. This was their main motive. And now this linked with the administered price. Farming nations wanted to be linked with green boxes subsidies. So the interim solution is called as, यहाँ पर क्या solution लिया गया था? Peace clause, green box clause, amber box clause और blue box clause. If it's related to farming, we will go with peace clause here. Option A would be your answer. Then here it is list 1 and list 2. Again we have to match with them. SAARC, ASEAN, European Union, NAFTA. All are your economic integrations and we have to match with their countries. So you have to remember all the countries because यहाँ पर देखिए एक एक country उठा दी गई है and you have to match with them. So NAFTA के साथ आपकी Canada जाएगी. D का आपका option 2 रहेगा. So as you can see that this is in your option C. So your option of 107 question would be C. All other you can match accordingly, right? Then next question, which one of the following correspond to the member and observer countries of SAARC? Again यहाँ पर member countries आई हैं और observer country. पहले आपको member country का option choose करना है and then you will go for the observer country. So don't get confused here. Here you firstly all these countries given in your first option, these are your member countries, and next in second, Iran, China, Japan, USA, South Korea, European Union, these are observer countries. So option 1 and 2, option C will be your answer. After then, from the following, identify the trading blocks in the world and choose the correct code. Trading blocks are here: European Union, NAFTA, South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, this is your SAARC, Central American Common Market, Central African Custom Unions. So which among these are your options? So we will go with all these A, B, C, D, E. Option C will be your answer. Next is UNCTAD. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development was set up in which year? If you remember UNCTAD years, it is 1964, option D. After then, the European Union has all the following features except which one? All other are features and one among them is not the feature. So you have to remember all these points. So if we see absence of barrier, yes it is there. Absence of barrier to movement of capital, yes it is there. Common rates of indirect taxation, ये इसका point नहीं है. So option B will be odd one out here. Match one with their year of creation, Bretton Woods Conference, General Agreements, and then Accra Conference. So we will go with Bretton Woods Conference. It was in 1944. So A का आपका 3 रहेगा. It will be in last option, option D. Then next, which of the following is the updated version of NAFTA that was signed in 1994? में कौन सा version sign हुआ था? So it is United States Mexico Canada Agreement. NAFTA को replace कर दिया गया था with this USMCA. Which of the following expressions amount to the important restrictions measures? ये restriction से related है. Currency control, establishment of EPZs, tariff cuts, imposition of tariffs, imposition of non-tariff barriers. So we will go with option B here first is correct here. Then fourth one and then fifth one. All these are amount to import restriction measures. These are not related to this. Okay. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations. This is your ASEAN. This was formed in 1967 by Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand. For what? For promoting the political and economic cooperation. This ASEAN Declaration is also called as, तो हम इसको एक और नाम से जानते हैं, वो क्या होगा? Bangkok Declaration. Right? Bangkok Declaration. The main objective of WTO is there are certain points for you to raise living standards, to minimize barriers of international trade. This is the main motive. हमें trade को promote करना था. World Trade Organization, as its name suggests, it is to promoting the international trade and removing or minimizing the barriers. After then, important objectives of WTO. These are certain objectives, and after reading all these, you have to match with the correct code given here. So we will go with option B, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can read all these points given. After then, the World Trade Organization has all the following functions except which one? All are the function except one. So establishing rules for the conduct of international trade, ये तो इसका first and foremost objective है, तो one तो होगा ही होगा. Providing short term capital to finance, no it's not its main objective, or you can say ये इसका function नहीं है. So option B is here correct. Option B will be your answer. Next, match the items with list 1 with list 2. List 1 is here and list 2 is here. UNCTAD, WTO, TRIMS, ITC. TRIMS is your trade related investment measure. So यहाँ पर आपका foreign investment आएगा. C का आपका option 1 रहेगा. And let's have C, it's here C1 but यहाँ पर काफी में दिया गया है. So UNCTAD it's developing countries का है. तो A का 2 होगा. This is. So option A will be your answer. Right? After then, the second last question, indicate the right sequence of stages of internationalization. How is the right sequence? सब चीज़ें internationalization से related है, but आपको इसका एक sequence create करना है. Alright, तो sequence क्या होगा? International company, then multinational company होती है एक, उसके बाद आता है ग्लोबल कंपनी और फिर आती है ट्रांसनेशनल कंपनी. सो 4, 1, 2, 3 आपका एक करेक्ट स्टेज रहेगी. ऑप्शन डी विल बी योर आंसर. After then, business conglomerates have different names in different countries. Which countries conglomerates are called chaebols? Chaebols हम कौन सी कंट्री के इंटीग्रेशन को बोलते हैं? जापान, साउथ कोरिया, जर्मनी और चाइना. सो साउथ कोरिया के साथ जो इंटीग्रेशन होती है, जो कॉन्ग्लोमरेट कोई भी कंट्री अपनी बिजनेस को जब कॉन्ग्लोमरेट करेगी विद साउथ कोरियन कंपनी, इट विल बी नोन एज chaebols. Alright, so these are all the set of questions. I hope your practice is going well. Don't skip any session, maintain continuity, and this will going to be a great help for you. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing. We will therefore solve your all queries. If you have any doubt, you can mail us on our official mail address, that is learnwithnishman@gmail.com. Have a nice day. Thank you.